Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Python. So from today, we are going to start a series tutorial for the Python. And here, I'm going to install Python at first. So to install a Python, just go to the browser, then search Python. And here you can see the first link, go to the downloads. And here in the downloads, if you hover on it, downloads, and then you will find this. So click on here, Python 3.1, 3.3. Here you can see it start downloading. And we need an ID also. We have PyCharm, and this is the pink. So just go here, and here you can see the only okay, close the only Python ID you need. So just go for the download, and here you can see Python Charm. This is the paid version, and we have a free version, and that is PyCharm Community Edition. So we'll go with it. Okay, and we'll just click on here, and it will actually start downloading. Let's just install the Python at first. So I'll click on it, and I will install it. And here we just have to check here, okay, add python.exe to path. So we just have to check it and then install now. So you can see the path is given here, so you can actually go for the customized installation, but for me, actually, I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to install it in the default drive. Okay, so I will click on install, and here you can see installing. Okay, setup was successful. Now you can just close it, and just we have to wait for the download of PyCharm. Okay, so you can see it's the download is complete now. We can actually click here, so it will start down installing. Okay, okay, just have to select the yes, and then we have to select next, and destination folder will be C drive, no problem. But if you want to change, you can actually change. Okay, so next, and I want to actually create a desktop shortcut, so I will select it and then next and install. So now it's installing. Okay, so installation is done. Now click on finish. Now let's open the PyCharm community, and here I'm going to double click on it. You can actually do Python coding on Visual Studio Code also. What you have to do, you just have to install the Visual Studio Code, and you just have to go to the extension here, and you just have to download the Python extension. So this one, okay, but I will use this ID. Okay, so I'll say skip this. Okay, and project. So I'm going to select here a new project, and here you can see the project location. So you can actually change the project location also, and here I'm going to change it. I'm going to go to the documents. Okay, and I'm going to say here Python, select folder. All right, and that's it. Now create. Now let's say I want to create okay, allow access, no problem. Now I'm going to create here a new file, and I will select on file here, and let's create a new file. Okay, and the file name, let's say I want to select that first. Okay, first dot, you have to use extension .py for the Python, and you just have to press enter, and it will create your first Python file. Now let's say I want to run my first code, so I will say print, and I will say here the double quotation, and I'm going to say here subscribe to Web Technologies. And to run this, you just have to click here, and we have a shortcut for this, shift plus F10. So let me type it, shift plus F10, and here you can see it's in the terminal. We can actually see the output, right? So subscribe to Web Technologies. All right, so this is our first code, and we have installed it successfully, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.